Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to teaching you graphics design from scratch. So if you're interested in learning how to become a designer, do well to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on this journey on becoming a graphics designer. Thank you and welcome to my channel once again. So the next tool we're going to talk about is the Move tool. So this is the Move tool up here. With it, I can move anything I want to move. Not only can I move it, I can resize it. I can just come to the edge here and drag and drag. I can also tilt it if I come to the edge here, and it makes this curvy, it takes this curvy shape. I can rotate it, So that's the Move tool. You can also come to the edge and resize it. If I want to select any object here, I just go on the object and right click. Let's say I want to select this cat. I go on the cat, right click. The cat is shape 1. So this is the cat. I can easily resize the cat from there. So that is the Move tool for you. You can use it to move anything, not just move, to tilt and to resize. So that is the Move tool for you. Thank you for watching.